Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. My name is Theo Tovek. As you already know if you are following me, and today I'm going to install new wheels on the car. You can see I'm sitting on one of them. So follow me on this quick install. If you follow me, you will know that I have a 2017 BMW M3 competition package. Competition package provides you the nice BMW 666M wheels. I do have the silver version and I wish I had the shadow black version. In the quest of searching for black wheels, I got these. Now, the reason why I'm trying to replace my 20 inch to the 19 are the following. Now, I live in the DMV area. If you're familiar to this area, there's a lot of potholes. Roads are not the best, and the 20-inch wheels just have a small amount of tire. Like the tire is just this much because those are low profile tires. 20-inch on the front is 265 30 20. You can see that at 30 sidewall is not great. So I'm going right now with the 437M 19-inch wheels that provide meaty tires. Remember with my previous spring videos I mentioned that I love meaty tires. So let's go ahead and install these and see how it's changing the look. Remember I do have a black car, and I think with the black wheels it's gonna have that nice dark night type of vibe, and midnight or whatever you want to call it. And I think that will be my theme for the moment. Now I want to keep the 666M wheels for like quote unquote summer wheels, even though that we are in summer right now and I'm putting 19s. And yeah, so I don't know, I might change, right? So once these tires are done, I think probably I'm gonna put some winter wheels here, or winter winter tires here. So I don't know. So let's go ahead and just change this, man. While I was trying to film this video, it started pouring. Should I continue this video? Of course I will continue this video. I don't think I need to teach anyone watching this video how to change tires, but if you do want me to teach you how to change a tire, I can make a video just for you. So I'm just gonna speed these things up so that you can see how it is done. These are the front tires that I just removed. This is the one I had on the 20 inch. This is Michelin Pilot Super Sport 265 30 and 20, as you can see, Michelin right here. And this is the 19 inch 437 wrapped in Continental Conti Sport 5P. Again, when you look at the tread pattern, these are very similar. This is Michelin, this is Continental. As you can see on the first layer here, you have a lot of marks. Same thing here. Second layer, mark going that way. Same thing here. Third layers, you have a few little lines here. Same here. Fourth layer, you have a few lines here. Same here. Final layer, just like this one. As you can see, they are quite almost identical. And these are also the tires that now when you get a regular M3 or M4, this is what comes now standard. BMW stopped providing the Michelin Pilot Super Sport I think in 2016, and they started using this. So when I got my set of tires, it came with this one. Now as you can see, this one is a much newer, has a lot more life left to it compared to this one, but this is the one I will be mounting right now. As you can see the difference between 265 and 255. So this is the front tires. If you know about tires, you will know that most manufacturers, when they configure tires, especially when they work with manufacturers, that tire manufacturers, they don't make the front tires the same as the back tires, especially for rear wheel drive car. So just an example, this is the Michelin Pilot Super Sport. These are the rear tires, and if you look at the tread pattern here, let me move the front tire closer to this one. You will see that it is a bit different, right? Now same way for the Continental. See, the front tire didn't have this line on the Continental. Don't go anywhere to. And you can see that it is still the same way. Start with this, start with that. We have this second layer here, but now the third layer is like it's 2 layers in one, while this one is just there's nothing here. While on the front tires you have this little groove, but on the rear tires you don't have those little lines anymore, and then you have the rest here. Now the reason behind this is that this is a tire that is stuck. It's only moving the car. The front tire does much more. It moves the car, it steers the car, and that's the first tire usually that will be taking the road and also checking puddles and water and things like that. So when the tire manufacturer construct these tires, they think about all of these. So for people that usually take the back tires and put on the front, they have to look for a car that has a wider tire for the front to use that tire instead of a tire that is meant to be on the back. So let's go ahead and mount these tires, these wheels and tires in the car. Let's go ahead now and drop it. I'm taking you closer right now so you can see. See, tires are fat, wheels are concave, which I love. You can see it again. Sorry, the car is very dirty right now. So you can see that it is concave. You can see with the 15 millimeter spacer, it is very flush. As you can see the front even is flush right there, and I love it. So this is the look. It blends very well, and I love it. I took it on a nice little drive, feels good. I'm going to let you guys know how the whole thing is after taking on a long drive, but pretty much this is the front. Looks stunning, man. Nice. Alright guys, that was a quick video, and you saw I just swapped my 20 for the new 19-inch. I love the look, and let me know, man, do you love it? I hope you do. So again, thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.